The world is changing fast. Just a decade ago, AI was a fascinating concept now. It's replacing jobs faster than ever. In 2025, some careers will disappear and others will transform beyond recognition. Are you prepared for the AI revolution? Let's explore the AI tools taking over in 2025. Chapter 1. How AI is taking over jobs. Voice over AI isn't just assisting humans anymore, it's replacing them. Companies are adopting AI to cut costs, increase efficiency, and eliminate human errors. From customer service to high-end creative work, no job is safe. The question isn't if AI will take over, it's when and how. The most vulnerable jobs. 1. Call center agents and customer support. AI-powered chatbots can now understand emotions and respond as well as humans. Examples: ChatGPT-like customer service bots handling complaints smoothly. 2. Retail and cashiers. AI-driven self-checkout machines are replacing cashiers globally. Example: Amazon Go stores eliminating checkout staff completely. 3. Writers and journalists. AI tools like Jasper and Writesonic generate high-quality content in seconds. News organizations are already using AI for reports, no human required. 4. Graphic designers. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create stunning images with a single prompt. The role of a designer may shift from creation to curation. 5. Coders and software developers. AI-driven code generators can now write full applications with minimal human input. Example: GitHub Copilot helping developers write entire programs efficiently. Chapter 3. The AI tools driving these changes. ChatGPT and AI chatbots handling complex conversations. Replacing call center jobs. Midjourney and DALL-E generating art instantly, affecting graphic designers. Jasper and Writesonic creating blog posts, scripts, and articles faster than humans. Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter writing flawless code, assisting developers. AI video editors automating video creation, reducing human editing work. Chapter 4. Jobs that will survive. Voiceover. Not all jobs are doomed. AI can't replace human intuition, empathy, and creative problem-solving. Yet, jobs that require complex decision-making, emotional intelligence, and physical presence are safer, including psychologists and therapists, creative directors and storytellers, AI engineers and ethics experts, healthcare professionals. Chapter 5. How you can stay ahead. 1. Embrace AI.
Don't fear it.
Learn how to work with AI rather than against it. 2. Develop unique skills. Creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership. I can't replicate these. 3. Explore AI-related careers. AI ethics, prompt engineering, automation consultancy will be booming. 4. Stay updated. Follow AI news to understand trends before they happen. Outro. Call to action. Voiceover. The world is evolving. Are you ready for it? AI isn't just the future, it's the present. If you don't adapt, you'll be left behind. Make sure to subscribe for more insights into AI tech and the future of work.